Welcome. In this video you will learn how to use the power of AI to support your daily operations. The information contained here has been prepared by Civitas Strategies and is not intended to constitute legal, tax, or financial advice. The Civitas Strategies team has used reasonable efforts in collecting, preparing, and providing this information, but does not guarantee its accuracy, completeness, adequacy, or currency. The publication and distribution of this information are not intended to create, and receipt does not constitute, an attorney-client or any other advisory relationship. Reproduction of this information and recording of this content, including the use of AI, are expressly prohibited. Only non-commercial uses of this work are permitted. In today's presentation, we will review what AI is, look at some ways it can help your business, and share tips for choosing an AI tool and using it safely and effectively. Artificial intelligence (AI) has become a part of our daily lives and businesses. There are many tools that can help you in your business, but finding the right AI assistants and tools for you and your business, and understanding how to make the most of them is key. We reviewed a number of AI tools and found the easiest and most versatile were ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. In this tool, we will review what AI is, look at some ways it can help your business, and share tips for choosing an AI tool and using it safely and effectively. But what is AI? AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, reason, learn, and make decisions like humans. The goal of AI is to develop computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving complex problems, and learning from experience. You can talk to AI in natural language. That means that you can type in questions, requests, or prompts just as if you were communicating with another human. The AI tool can answer general questions as well as respond based on data you provide. Most AI tools can also remember context within a single conversation, so you can include follow-up prompts like make that email shorter or add information about home visits without starting over. AI can help your business in several ways. Think of it as a booster for your time. It can make tasks like creating contracts and policies easier and more efficient. It can boost your marketing efforts by creating social media posts or website content. It can be used to organize information or develop materials for clients. You can also use AI to streamline many time-consuming administrative tasks that keep you from focusing on the families you care for. Let's look at a few ways you can use AI in your day-to-day work. Administrative tasks. AI can help you organize information into easy-to-read formats, create weekly schedules for visiting clients, and develop templates for invoices, forms, or letters to clients. It can also assist with updating policies by suggesting clearer language or helping you draft new policies and procedures when necessary. Communication. AI can help you write client emails, create friendly reminders about upcoming events or policy changes, and draft answers to frequently asked questions from families. It can even help translate simple messages into other languages to better communicate with families. Business resources. AI can help you create training handouts on topics like infant development and lactation and outline client meeting agendas. It can also develop checklists for daily or weekly routines or to ensure consistency across your operations. Sales and marketing. AI can help you write social media posts showcasing your services, create engaging content for your website or brochures, and help you brainstorm creative ways to attract new clients. It can also draft professional responses to online reviews and develop marketing materials that highlight your strengths. Family engagement. AI can help you brainstorm creative event ideas like prenatal yoga classes, write inviting announcements that encourage client participation, and create simple activities that extend new parent learning. It can also help you develop surveys for current families to share feedback and write welcoming messages for new families. Financial management. AI can help you create clear invoices and payment reminders for families, draft budgets by organizing your expenses into categories, and write professional emails about service price increases or fee changes. It can also help you come up with cost-saving ideas, create simple financial reports, and develop templates for tracking expenses like supplies and utilities. It is important to note that AI should never replace your professional knowledge and expertise, especially when considering the education, care, and safety of families. Always review AI responses to ensure they are accurate, professional, and meet the specific needs of your families. When selecting an AI tool, look for one that offers a free trial version, has a simple interface you find easy to use, and produces responses that feel natural to you and meets your specific needs. Pick one AI tool to try first and create a free account using your email address. Most tools let you start using them immediately without requiring payment information. In preparation for this tool, we reviewed a number of AI tools and found the easiest and most versatile for child care providers were ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. Here are some strengths of each one. Google Gemini works seamlessly with other Google apps like Gmail and Google Docs. This is ideal if your business already uses these programs. It can also search the internet for current information. ChatGPT offers the widest variety of specialized features and add-on tools, plus it integrates well with Microsoft Office programs. Claude does well with following detailed instructions carefully and is particularly good at maintaining a consistent, professional tone across different types of content. The best way to choose is to test each one with a simple task and pick the one that feels most comfortable and intuitive and gives you the best results without needing a lot of editing. Begin with smaller, less risky tasks, such as writing a simple thank you note to clients, creating a list of activities and comfort ideas to share with clients for postpartum recovery or family bonding at home, or drafting a friendly reminder about payments. Avoid using AI for more in-depth tasks such as policy revisions until you're comfortable with how it works. It can take time to get the hang of it. The key to getting the most out of AI is writing good prompts. A prompt is simply the question or request you type into the AI tool. Better prompts get you better results. Let's look at a few tips for writing effective prompts. Be specific about what you want instead of, write something about an event for expecting families. Write a friendly 2-paragraph email reminding clients about our prenatal yoga class on Friday. Include that partners are welcome and clothing should be comfortable and allow for safe movement during yoga. Give examples when helpful. Write a social media post about a recent prenatal educations activity with expecting parents. We demonstrated how to use a birthing ball and discussed comfort techniques for labor. Use a tone similar to this example. Paste an example of your previous post. Include important details. How long should it be? What tone do you want? Friendly, professional, casual? Who is your audience? Current clients, peers, community? Any specific information to include or avoid. Ask for revisions if the first response isn't quite right. Ask the AI to adjust it. For example, make this shorter and more casual. Add information about postpartum visits. Change the tone to be more professional. Always review and edit AI responses before posting them online or sending them to families or staff. AI is a helpful writing tool, but your best judgment should always guide your decisions on business communications. Last but certainly not least, it is important to consider privacy and confidentiality when using AI. Never enter any identifying information, such as clients' full names, addresses, family details, photos, or any other personal or confidential information into AI tools. Review each platform's privacy policy before use, and check whether your state or licensing agency has specific guidance on using AI in business settings. There are also legal considerations when it comes to privacy. Check state and federal laws to be sure you are in compliance. By understanding these aspects of AI language models, business owners can make informed decisions about their use, ensuring they leverage AI technology responsibly and effectively to enhance their communication and services. Looking for more info? For more information about the New Jersey Doula Initiative, reach out to NJ at civstrat.com or go to njdoulabusinessresources.com. There you'll find access to free resources to support your doula business. And be sure to visit the Civitas Strategies YouTube channel for more valuable resources to support you and your business.